Welcome everyone. In this video, we will see image library and its properties. To know more about image library, navigate to IDE window. Go to View tab, enable image library. Go to Screen, New Screen. Search an image and drag-drop it. Go to Property Editor, then Background Color, select the desired color. Select the image and go to Object Color at Property. Increment the number to create multicolored image. You can use Rotation Angle property to rotate the image by any angle. Additionally, you can use Flip property to rotate in horizontal, vertical and mix of both direction. You can adjust the size of the screen according to image and select Grid Layout to adjust the image in more precise way. Save the screen for future use. That's all about image library.
Thank you for watching.